Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Morgan and I make videos on business and personal development. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, please click below and subscribe. So today I am talking about how to make money online. This is a topic that I have been researching for years on my own journey, and I thought I would share some things that may be of help to you. Before I get into the video, I must preface this by saying that when it comes to making money and doing something different, it really boils down to mindset. And this is really with anything, because if you don't have the right mindset for success and that belief in yourself, then you might as well not even start anything. So you really have to work on that first. I want you to think about this. There is no one like you. There is no one with the skills that you have, the experience that you have, the personality that you have, the things that you can offer. So you are very unique. You bring a unique set of skills to the table, and I challenge you to look within yourself to think about how you can use those skills to make money online. And as I get into the ways that you can make money, think about how you can apply this to your own skills and what works for you, and also your own experience and what you can see yourself doing. Tony Robbins, who is a fantastic personal development guru, always says that success is based upon 20% skill and 80% mindset. So if you have the mindset for success and you believe in yourself, there is no limit to what you can do. And I'm not trying to be cheesy either. Believe that you can learn anything you want and do anything you want. And it's with that you will get even more fulfillment and motivation with the things that you're doing, because if you're doing something that you enjoy and something that you like, you will get paid in return. That's just the laws of the land. So let's get into the ways to make money online. The first way is to sell. Surprise, surprise. You can sell products or services, and there's a bunch of different avenues for this. So Amazon being the first one that I'll mention, because Amazon is just such a huge their technology and their reach is definitely something that business owners leverage, and because Amazon is such a huge search engine. And a program that they have is Amazon FBA, and FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. And what that entails first is researching what kind of product people are looking for and what the demand is. And there's sort of a formula behind that, but I'll just go over the high level concepts. So basically, you look and see what people are searching for, and then you source those products from manufacturers either in the United States or overseas. A lot of people source them from China, and they use websites like Alibaba or AliExpress to look for manufacturers. And then from there, that process is basically working with the manufacturer to add your private label onto the products, and then having those products shipped to the Amazon warehouses to be distributed. Now, when it comes to this, there's a pretty big learning curve in my opinion. And I was considering this for myself in the past, and so I did really heavy research on this, and I even considered taking courses, which are very expensive in my opinion. So when it comes to a newbie, I would say setting this up will take a couple months, and it will take some money. And some people that don't start off on the right foot can lose money in this. So there is some risk if you don't know what you're doing. Instead of selling on Amazon, you might want to consider selling on other websites like Craigslist. You can make your own Etsy store. You could also set up your own online store through using Shopify, but that may take a little bit of learning too. Regardless of what you decide to do, keep in mind that there will be a learning curve, but the thing is this: as long as you know your starting point, and as long as you have the vision on what you want to do, You don't need to know all the answers. All you need to know is the next step. And this is something that a lot of people get wrong, and it makes them really discouraged to start something different. But think about it, even in your own 9-to-5 job, there may have been times that you switched positions, or maybe you got a promotion and there was a whole new set of expectations for you. You don't know all the answers, so what do? You find out. You become resourceful, and you reach to the people that have the answers. And even though we're all stuck at home right now, we have the internet, and the internet is a never-ending source of information. I can't tell you how much I have learned just by watching YouTube videos like this, and reading. I've had so many years of college. I have a master's degree in business, and all the true learning that has really helped me and truly shaped who I am today has been through mentors and has been through my own learning and reading books. Think about that. You don't need college, you just need the will and the confidence to execute what you want to do. So the next thing I want to touch on is Kindle Publishing. When it comes to publishing books, you could do audiobooks, ebooks, physical books, whatever suits you. You can research it and figure out how that process works, how to set it up, and then from there you have that knowledge, and if you desire to write your own book and publish it, then you could do so and make money doing that. In addition to publishing your own books, you can also publish other people's books. So if you look for writers that may not be technically savvy or interested in publishing their own, then you can get with them and publish their books and make a profit. Another way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. And what that consists of is promoting another company's products or services. So you'll sign up for an affiliate link through whatever company you want to promote, and then you'll use that link on your social media or your website. And when promoting that link, if someone buys that product, then you'll get a percentage of that sale. This is a huge opportunity for marketing other people's products. It's not as labor intensive, in my opinion, as the other items I'm mentioning. Now, not everyone wants to put themselves out there. Not everyone wants to have a YouTube channel or a website and things like that, and that's fine. If you're that type of person, then this next one might fit well with you. The next item I want to mention is being a freelancer. Being a freelancer means working for yourself online. So if you have skills, things like customer service skills or call center skills, bookkeeping, if you have experience managing your own social media accounts or designing brochures or designing websites, then being a freelancer might be something that you want to consider. The possibilities are really endless for this because companies are always needing people to support their operations online. I found freelancers myself to help me with things like my logo and banners. So you can always market your services on websites like Fiverr.com, there's Upwork. There's also a website called Thumbtack that is more local. So if you want to work with people in your local area, depending on what service you want to provide, you could do that as well. And keep in mind too that any skills that you have, if you document those and then you teach someone else to do that, you can get compensated for that too. Consider this, once you learn how to do something and you're experienced doing it, you can sell that to other people. And if you don't want to sell it to other people, you can document how to do it and you can sell training to other people. I'll give you an example. Whenever I was setting up my website, I was determined to learn how to do it. I had priced out web designers and things like that, but I thought that if I learned it on my own, that I would at least have that experience and I would know how long things would take. And in the future, if I wanted to make my website better and work with a web designer at that point, I would at least know what kind of value they could bring for me. So I was determined to learn, and it took me 2 months to learn how to set up my WordPress website. But I will say that it was worth it because now I can manage my own website and I don't have to rely on other people. Whenever you're starting out, I think it is good to have the confidence to know that you can do it. In my next video, I'm gonna be talking about setting up a business. So please subscribe so you don't miss that one. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.